going to take the Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Primer just to prime my face. This one is to kind of help mattify your skin. I'll put that on. For foundation, I'll probably take the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin again, just because I really liked it. And I'm in the color 245. And I'm taking the new Sigma F80 Air Flat Kabuki brush. Yeah. Which is basically like the regular F80, but it is a dual fiber. I don't really know what I'm using today. I just know I want to do a blue, kind of like smoky eye. I'm going to take the Kevyn Aucoin Supernatural Concealer to conceal, and I use the color 02. And then I'm going to take the Milk Makeup Blur Plus Set Matte Loose Settings Powder, since I spray powder. Okay guys, Sigma's eyeshadow in Catch is making a comeback. I used to use it in like almost every video before, and I'm using it again now as my transition shade because I wanted something really orange in the background of this look. So I'm taking, first I used a Sigma E38 brush, and now I'm taking an E25 blending brush to do that, and I'm just applying it to my crease and then building that color up as much as I want. And again, if I don't know some of the product names, everything will be listed in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And then as a base, I'm taking a Makeup Forever. I don't know the number. Again, I know I sound like a broken record, but everything will be listed in the description box below. The palette that I'm going to be using for this look is from Marc Jacobs. These palettes are super pigmented. They do have quite a bit of fallout, but they are very easy to blend, and again, they are super pigmented, so I don't mind the fallout. So I'm taking the two blue shades in the center, and I'm kind of mixing those together because the one matte blue shade is super intense, like a really bright royal blue, like cobalt blue. But so I'm just kind of mixing them. And then for my lower lash line, I just added the Sigma eyeshadow that I used in the beginning. That's all I did to my lower lash line. And then for my waterline, I added a Smashbox blue liner. I wanted something that was kind of similar to what was on my eyelids, so I used this one in my waterline. And then in the inner corner of my eye, I actually used the highlighter that I used on my cheeks that you will see next. I think I used, for bronzer, I think I used this Pop Beauty one already, but I think it was a little too orange for me. I don't remember. I think I used it like in the last video. I'm gonna try this. I'm pretty sure it was too orange for me. If not, I'm just gonna use the Hula Light by Benefit. I guess I'll just use this one because it's what I have here. I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Mint for You, Spread of the Mint for You collection. I don't know if they still sell it. And it is called Amazement. It's been like my favorite blush since it came out. And then for highlighter, I'm going to use the, what is it even called? Glow Powder. The Glam Glow Powder palette, and I kind of mix these two colors together. I really like this palette. The highlighters just look so natural and they're buildable. Anyways, this palette, it just looks so natural on the skin, like close up. For lips, I've never tried any of these Too Faced Melted Matte Longwear lipsticks, so I think I'm going to try this one. This is the only one I have. It's called Sellout, so that's the one I'm going to try. Oh. Kind of reminds me of the Huda Beauty one because it's really thin. The consistency is really thin. That's good though.